Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, third trading day of the week, and I did a few day trades and overall profitable. Have one losing trade, a couple of or three winning trades, right? But the other two winning trades are just very small ones. Yeah, overall profitable. In fact, Monday was profitable, Tuesday was profitable, and today is also profitable. So overall profitable for the week. So to keep I'll be keeping my fingers crossed for consecutive Monday to Friday profitable, right? Okay, or at least at the end of this week overall profitable, right? Okay, let's jump right in and take a look. Hey, so you can see we are back at my screen right now. I did BX trade this time round, making a profit of $171. Did a trade on CrowdStrike and lost $65. So overall profitable because of that. Realized profit of 112. Why? Because I also did MTCH, right, match group, and make $1 of profit, right, because I did feel good about it. And you will know why later on, right? And also did a TDD trade, right? Okay, market pretty much after I traded these two trades, so I didn't move much, so I decided to close it early, right? Which is a good choice, right? Because if you look at TDD, right? Okay, I closed somewhere here, it started to come down already, right? Okay, and I traded somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. So was a good decision, right? In fact, I traded late. I traded at around 80.80. I should have traded it at 80.7 or 80.6, which would have given me a very good profit, which is easily maybe $100 of profit or more, right? But I didn't get a good entry. So whether it's day trading or swing trading, right? Having a good entry is very important because it affects your risk to reward ratio and your profitability also, right? Okay, so and this is the reason why I decided to get out. I didn't get a good entry. Typically, most of the time, if I don't get a good entry, I will just get out early, right? Okay, but over here, that is the small win, right? Match is a trade to trade up, right? And I traded somewhere around 11. It did go up a little bit, but came back down. And while it was coming back down, I just closed it around at break-even price. That's why you saw a $1 profit, right? Okay, good choice because I traded it up and yet it came back down. It will have hit my stop loss already, right? You will have hit my stop loss. So good decision also, right? Even though the profits is roughly the same as yesterday, but today's performance based on TDD and match, I would say pretty good, right? Okay, one trade that I did was to sell CrowdStrike down around at 10.50, right? But after that it went up to hit my stop loss. Actually, I could have got another trade down here, right? Will have made back some of the profits, not all but some. But I don't feel good about the setup, overall setup for CrowdStrike. I think today it might even go much higher. So I decided not to continue trading CrowdStrike. BX is the biggest swing for today, right? I traded it up right around at market open, right? Okay, somewhere at 124.10. After that, it came back down all the way, almost hit my stop loss. But I did go in again around 9:55 to 10 p.m. Singapore time, right? So I went in at a much better price again with a small sizing, right? Small sizing. And after that, you shoot all the way up here, and I took the profits, right? So like I say, today's performance, even though the profits is about the same as yesterday, today's performance, I would say, based on the trader's decision, which is me, is so much better than yesterday, right? Okay. After I got out, it continued to climb down. Actually, there's another trigger here, which would have got me another 100 plus to $200 of profit, but I didn't take this trade. If not, you can see the risk reward is really good. but it's okay, right? Profit, overall profitable, and wrap up early for the day also, right? Um, so like I say, since Monday was profitable, Tuesday was profitable, today Wednesday is also profitable. Overall, I'm halfway through already, past the week, and hopefully I can maintain this momentum for tomorrow and Friday, and so that, or at least at the end of the week, right, become overall profitable as well. And very importantly, people might think, hey, Thomas, you are just like making $100, right? Okay, per day, right? I just want to say, don't underestimate $100 per day, spending 1-2 hours, right? Okay, or sometimes even 3 hours, right? But generally 1-2 hours wrap up already, right? So $100 multiplied by 5 days in a week, that's $500 US dollars, right? And with that $500 US dollars, right, you multiply it by 50 weeks in a year, right? I know it's 52 weeks, let's just say that it's 50 weeks. So 50 weeks in a year, and every week you clock about 500, right, profit. One whole year you're getting like $25,000, right? $25,000. And that is on a small account, right? Okay, not too big. It's only a account of 40,000. Okay, for around 40,000. So 25,000 profit in a year divided by 40,000 capital in being used to trade and get this profit in 1 year, right? That is easily 62.5% annual return on capital, right? So don't see the $100 as, wow, Thomas, is so small, right? If you have a bigger capital, okay, based on 62% return, right? Let's say you have 100,000, right? Okay, 100,000. One whole year you could be making 62,000 US dollars, right? So typically this is either pretty good full-time money for someone, or pretty good, at least pretty good part-time money for someone. Okay, spending only 1-2 hours, sometimes even 3 hours, on average maybe 1.5 hours per day, right? You can get a 62% return in 1 year on your capital, right? Okay, so it's not the amount, it's the percentage that counts, right? Okay, and I wanted to trade this every day and showing you the results every day, just to show you that it is possible to be consistently profitable, right? Okay, making small losses and bigger wins, so that your overall you are profitable, okay, by the day, by the week, or even by the month, okay, so that by the end of the year you can clock, 62%, right? Let's just say that you only perform half of the 62%, okay, 1 year also 30%, right? 1 year 30% is still good, considering you are just spending very little time, like 1-2 hours, just to day trade, right? Okay, and of course, if you don't like to spend 1-2 hours, it's possible by doing swing trade. So you can see over here, my swing trades are also already starting to make more profits for me, and Nike just turned profitable for me as well, right? Okay, so overall, I would say, and like if you look at Nike, right, previous 2 days or 3 days, I can't remember, it was in a loss, right? So right now, Nike is already profitable. My swing trade, MOS, is also few days ago was in a loss, now starting to show some profits, right? Hopefully it can continue. Coca-Cola symbol is KO, stock symbol is KO, now in $1 profit, and Google is now in quite a decent profit, can be more, right? Okay, so I'm trying to hold all of them and see whether I can get even more profits from my swing trades, right? My point here is that if you don't like to do day trade, spending 1-2 hours a day, you could easily do swing trade and just let it run, right? one day maybe just 5-10 minutes to do a swing trade, and you can just go and sleep. The next day just monitor it a little bit, see whether you need to close the trade or not, right? Doesn't take more than 10 minutes, right? Okay, and it can still also make you a decent profit, right? So whether day trade or swing trade is up to the individual. I'm just showing you day trade can make money, and swing trade also can make a decent profit if you don't like to do day trading, right? Okay, but of course, if you want to just base on swing trade, then you need to do more swing trade other than what you see on my screen, right? Okay, I'm balancing off between swing trade and day trade. So day trade would require some capital for me to day trade, and that's why I can't do a lot of swing trade. If I do a lot of swing trade, then my day trade I cannot execute, right? I don't have enough capital to execute. So I'm balancing them off. Some swing trades, some like day trading, to show you that consistent profits is a possible thing for you, so that you can work towards getting it, right? And I hope if you are already trading right now, right, that this week has been good for you, right? And the profits are coming into you, and may the rest of the week be the same for you. And I'll end here. I'll see you tomorrow with my another update. May the profits be with you, and I will see you soon.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.